always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
Ooh, can I spin the wheel? Go for it, Hedgehog. Today's special number is 6. Yay! Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 6 on it. Oh, there it is! Now let's flip the card over and count how many ants there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in all?
6. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? 6 hugs! Here I come!
Today's number is 6. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's count wiggle bugs together. 6. There are 6 wiggle bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many wiggle bugs in all? 6. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture. Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 6. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 6 times. Clap 6 times. Nod 6 times. Point 6 times. March march 6 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
Let's count together.
6.
There are 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many apples in all?
6.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called I Love My Mom. It's about a little girl who learns a lot from her mom. Let's see what she learns. Let's begin. I Love My Mom. Written by Phung Same Phamakse. Illustrated by Nibong Sengsekon. My mom's name is Lee. She works hard all the time, and I learn so much from her. When my mom cooks, I learn to cook too. When she waters the flowers, I learn to water the flowers too. My mom bought me a bicycle, and she taught me how to ride it. As I ride my bicycle, my mom smiles when I go, whee! At night, my mom makes the bed. I learn how to make the bed too. Before bedtime, my mom tells me stories. When I'm sleepy, my mom sings me a lullaby. I love my mom so much. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog! Why are we meeting at the farm?
That's a good question. Today's song is called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Now, who remembers what this is called?
A banjo!
That's right! I'll sing first, and then you can join in. Here we go! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now then, Fox, how about you pick the next animal? Everybody sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, Hedgehog, you choose the next animal.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here, baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, Pig, ready to choose an animal?
Yeah!
Great! Let's all sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had a horse.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a neigh-neigh here, neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh, ba-ba here, ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba, cluck-cluck here, cluck-cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck-cluck, moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Mr. Frog, I know another animal on the farm. What's that?
Me! A monkey!
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Sax. Sax ends with X. Sax. X-ray. X-ray begins with X. X-ray. Axe. Axe ends with X. Axe. Fox. Fox ends with X. Fox. Hello. Box. Box ends with X. Box. X.
That's right, the letter X. Yes,
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
absolutely. Let's practice making the letter X. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Ooh, I know! Let's trace letters on the dirt using the watering can.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Pig, why don't you go first?
Yeah! X.
Great!
I'll try next. X.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I want to try. X. Ooh.
Nice job!
My turn. X.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
X.
Exactly. Uppercase X. And what's this letter?
X.
That's right. Lowercase x. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! X! Let's have a pattern party! Patterns repeat! Patterns repeat! When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat! Okay, everybody, I'll say a pattern, then repeat it back with me. Coconut, beach ball, coconut, beach ball, coconut. coconut, beach ball, 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 coconut, beach ball. You did it! Come on, Pig. Now it's your turn.
Okay. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Beach ball, coconut. Beach ball, coconut.
Beach ball, coconut. Beach ball, coconut.
Keep going.
Beach ball, coconut. Beach ball, coconut.
Yeah!
Hedgehog and I are doing one together. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When we say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Coconut, coconut, belly button. Coconut, coconut, belly button. Coconut, coconut, belly button. Coconut, coconut, belly button. Two more. Coconut, coconut, belly button. Coconut, coconut, belly button. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. Yeah! And that's how you have a pattern party.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush-a-bye, don't you cry. Go to sleep, my little baby. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses, blacks and bays, dappled and grays, dancing through the sky. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses. shall by. Don't you cry. Go to sleep, my little baby. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses, blacks and bays, dappled and grays, dancing through the sky. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses.